Hey guys, welcome back to Gloria Home of Skills. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how to bleach your palm oil. So this is another way of bleaching your palm oil without fire. So it is mainly for soap makers, not for cooking. So if you want to know how I made this, like this video, share, and let's get started. So guys, these are the two chemicals that I'm going to be using to bleach this palm oil. So the one I'm holding in my hand right now is called sulfonic acid. Instead of causing environmental hazard, so this is the best way of bleaching your palm oil if you're a soap maker. So the next one is hydrogen peroxide. So guys, I'm getting a lot of questions in my WhatsApp, so let me help you guys out so that the questions you are going to ask me is going to be minimal. So you can get all these chemicals in the chemical shop, the chemical store around you. That's where you get it. So this is what I'm using to measure my oil. This is 500 ml of oil, and secondly I'll be using syringe to measure the chemicals that I'm going to use. So you can buy this in a pharmacy or that's where you get it, in the pharmacy. So get started. So this is my mixing bowl and my turning stick. Guys, please use this medium to like and share my video. Subscribe if you haven't done that. I'm going to be sharing a lot of video on soap making and other productions. So this is the advantage of subscribing to my channel, and also press the bell notification to stay updated when next I upload a new video. So I have poured the oil into my mixing bowl. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to measure out the chemicals, those two chemicals that I showed you guys. So I'm going to measure 5 ml of sulfonic acid. That's the first chemical I'm going to put right now. So I'm going to measure 5 ml of sulfonic acid because I am bleaching 500 ml of oil. So that's why I'm using 5 ml of sulfonic acid. can see that the color is coming together. So the next chemical is hydrogen peroxide. So I'm going to measure like 5 ml of hydrogen peroxide and I'll pour it into the mixing bowl. Then I'll continue to mix. So I am bleaching 5 ml of palm oil. This is palm oil, so that's why I'm using 5 ml of hydrogen peroxide and 5 ml of sulfonic acid. So in case you want to bleach like 1 liter, you are going to use 10, that is 10 ml each. If you want to bleach in big quantity, just use the 1 liter measurement I gave you to increase it, then you bleach your oil. Please let me say it again. Please, this oil is not for cooking. This is mainly used for soap makers. If you want to produce soap, you want to use hard oil like palm oil to make your soap, this is the best way of bleaching your oil. So instead of causing environmental hazard, so it's better you use this to bleach your oil. Avoid disturbing your neighbors because it will be choking you and choking everybody around you. So I'll be using paper to check, I'll be using it to check the color. So as you can see that everything has changed color, so you can start making use of it. But I'm going to show you how it looks like the next day. So this is after bleaching it. So the next day you can see that people are going to see that the color has changed to white. So the more it stays, the more brighter it will become. You are not seeing the color here because I'm not using a transparent bowl to make it. So I'm going to show you right now how it's looking like after 24 hours. So I'm going to transfer it into this plastic rubber because I'm not ready to use it yet. So I just use it to show you guys how to bleach palm oil. So this is where I left it. So after 24 hours, I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. After 24 hours, this is how it's looking like. It's no longer looking dark like the previous one. When you keep your palm oil, you can find out that there are some that will settle under. So this is exactly what is happening here. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Please share this video if you find it interesting, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.